Practice for fall sports is already underway, and with the new season will surely come injuries for many young athletes. Dr. Kevin Walter at Children's Hospital of Wisconsin has seen them all. Dr. Walter is also the director of pediatric and adolescent sports medicine. The busy season again, isn't it, Doc?
It is.
Everybody's getting back to it. What sort of things are you particularly concerned about this time of year?
You know, we're always concerned about concussion with soccer and football coming up. We also are concerned about heat and hydration, so heat illness, staying hydrated, especially as everybody's getting back in to practice. Those two things can be really problematic.
Everybody's talking about concussions right now in sports. What specifically do parents need to know about monitoring their children as they're coming back from, and it's not just football, it's many of these sports. You know, concussions are possible in soccer, other sports as well. Yeah,
it's every sport. I mean, you could fall down the stairs and get a concussion,
sure, right.
But it's highest in football. And the biggest thing is people just need to report them. If you can report the concussion and start treating it well, kids do well and these bad outcomes don't happen.
How do they know when it's time to get you involved, or if they just stick with the team trainers, or how does that all work if you're a parent?
It depends on how bad the symptoms are. Worse symptoms mean come on in, or if it's lasting for more than a week or two, I say usually you want to get in and see us.
Some of these tips are available. You're actually putting on a clinic here coming up this weekend, and it's labeled for moms. I imagine anybody can come, but
anyone can come.
Yeah, tell me a little about what you have planned.
So I'm super excited. It's Kohl's Cares and Children's Hospital of Wisconsin are partnering together with our sports medicine and ortho department there to put on this clinic to help educate families about what concussion is, about hydration and heat illness, warning signs to look out for, and how to treat it. And then also, it's pretty cool. We're going to do some drills afterwards to kind of teach people this is how you appropriately hit. So teach them right technique, teach them equipment fit. And then Amon Green and John Kuhn's wife are going to be there to talk about their experiences too. So it should be a great event.
That's definitely a draw, having those guys there and talk about what they've been through and well, in the case of Kuhn, what he's still going through. Let me ask you about you mentioned the tackling and the things like that. So you're going to have mom in the stand saying, that is not a proper tackle, young man, right? Not proper form.
Yes.
But football, we've talked about that. If you do it right, you are still at some risk, but certainly proper form and technique, that's so important in terms of preventing injuries.
Tremendously important. I mean, if you learn to hit right, if you wear your equipment well, you reduce your risk as much as possible. Football is still a great sport, and I want to keep these kids active. I want to get them back to play.
All right, thanks, Doctor. Good to see you as always, and we'll get some more people out there for you at your clinic on Saturday. More information on the Mom's Concussion Clinic coming up. You can check out the Kohl's Cares Grow Safe and Healthy website. We've set up a link for you at TMJ4.com.